Okay, welcome students. Let us continue with trigonometric functions. We are doing miscellaneous exercise 3, page number 110. We have to prove this thing. This is LHS और ये दो साइड्स है, तो मैं इसे बोलूँगा RHS1 and I'll call this as RHS2. ठीक है, RHS2 और ये LHS है. I will solve each of these one by one. ठीक है, let's see how we go for that. तो यहाँ पे first of all I'll write this as, मैं इसको लिखूंगा b square plus LHS is equal to, let's say LHS is equal to b square plus c square minus a square. tan a को लिखूंगा sin a upon cos a. Now I will use sine rule for the numerator and cosine rule for the denominator. इधर sine rule use होगा, तो sin a is equal to a into k. And cosine rule ये पहले ये ब्रैकेट लिख लूँ b square plus c square minus a square. Oh, I'll write the cosine rule. Cosine rule is cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. ये पूरा ब्रैकेट कैंसिल होगा, ये denominator goes up in the numerator. This will become 2k abc. This is quite a symmetrical expression, and eventually you will get the same expression. I'll call this as equation 1. Same expression for RHS1 as well as RHS2. Have a look at this. RHS1 अगर मैं लिखूँ तो ये होगा c square plus a square minus b square into tan b. I'll write it as sin b upon cos b. Again I'll use sine rule here and cosine rule here. So that is equal to c square plus a square minus b square. Sin b is bk. This is bk sine rule, and this is cos b is c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ca. इसमें से ये ब्रैकेट पूरा कैंसिल होगा, डिनोमिनेटर goes up in the numerator. This will become 2k times abc. Now that is RHS1 equation 2. और इसको RHS2 को भी आप अगर वही सॉल्व करेंगे तो you will get the same expression. And therefore from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3 जो कि आप लोग डिराइव करोगे, वहाँ से आएगा LHS is equal to RHS1 is equal to RHS2, and that proves the given problem. Okay, please check this. Okay friends, now let's go to question number 90. We have to prove that this is equal to this. 2 times sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse of 24 upon 7. Now here, consider, now remember that we have to make your use of the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y. See here, x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, so I have to convert this sin inverse into tan inverse. This is our मेजर टास्क. तो उसके लिए मैं बोलूंगा what I'll say here is let sin inverse of 3 upon 5 is equal to theta, and therefore sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल जो तैयार होगा यहाँ पर वो इस प्रकार होगा. अपोजिट साइड 3, हाइपोटेन्यूस 5, तो ये होगा 4. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल. And therefore what is tan theta is equal to? Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore what is theta is equal to? Tan inverse of 3 by 4. Okay? But theta is already equal to sin inverse of 3 by 5. तो theta की जगह पर मैं लिखूंगा therefore sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. That is so simple. So now in LHS it says 2 times this sin inverse of 3 by 5. तो उसके जगह पर मैं लिखूंगा tan inverse of 3 by 4, which actually happens to be tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 3 by 4. And now very easily I can use that formula. So when I use this formula, what do I get there? Therefore LHS is equal to, बताइए, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. So this is tan inverse of x plus y 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus x into y. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Check if it is clear to you. Now that is equal to tan inverse of 6 upon 4 divided by 16 minus 9. 16, let's say 9 का 7 upon 16. So this is 4 the 16 and ये 4 ऊपर जाएगा. So this is tan inverse of 24 upon 7 and that is equal to RHS. Please check. Is this okay? Please have a look at it. Okay, now let's go for the next question number 20. Students, here 4 tan inverse के expressions here and this is the RHS. Now we have to again use the same formula. Now right here, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. The thing is that x and y should be both greater than 0 and xy should be less than 1, which is in this case. So I'll club these two together and these two together to apply the same formula. So tell me what you get there. This will give me, boliye, tell me along with. So this is tan inverse of 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 7 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 7. And same thing for the second one as well. Tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 8 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 8. Okay? So that is equal to tan inverse of 7 plus 5, 12 upon 35 divided by 35 minus 1, 34 upon 35. 35 gets cancelled. Plus tan inverse of, this is 11 upon 24, 24 minus 1, 23 upon 24. So this 24 is gone. So what remains there is tan inverse of 12 upon 34 plus tan inverse of 11 upon 23. Okay, now in this case again I use the same formula because x and y both are positive and the product xy is less than 1. So that will give me tan inverse of 12 upon 34 plus 11 upon 23 divided by 1 minus 12 upon 34 into 11 upon 23. I have got to simplify this. So this will give me tan inverse of 276 plus upon 34 into 23 divided by, we are going to multiply this 34 into 23. Seven eighty two minus 32 0 5 650. This is 650 upon 34 into 23. So this is 34 into 23 gets cancelled. And therefore what is LHS is equal to, देखिए, well, add these two numbers, tan inverse of, this will give me tan inverse of 650 upon 650, and that is equal to tan inverse of 1, and that is equal to pi by 4, and that is equal to RHS. Check if it is clear. Very easy. You have to use the same formula twice, back to back. Okay. Let's go to question number 21. This is the LHS and this is the RHS that I want to prove. Okay. Little different with the approach. I'll say here, let tan inverse of root x is equal to y. Therefore, root x is equal to tan y, and therefore x is equal to tan square y. Please have a look at this. And then I'll start with the RHS. I'll start with the RHS here. Check. So what is the RHS is equal to? Half into cos inverse of 1 minus tan square y upon 1 plus tan square y. Now if I look at this bracket is actually cos 2y, cos of 2y, cos inverse of cos. So this is half into cos inverse of cos of 2y is 2y. This gets cancelled and that is equal to y. But what is y? Y is equal to tan inverse of root x and that is equal to LHS. So जैसे मैंने बताया था कि इसका अप्रोच थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, मैंने यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट करके फिर सॉल्व किया है. I started with the RHS. Please have a look at this. Okay, question number 22. Please have a look at this. इसका भी अप्रोच थोड़ा सा अलग रहेगा. This is our LHS and this is the RHS. I think RHS में 9/4 लिखना चाहिए. Oh, this is the RHS. So we have to prove that this 9/4, 9 pi by 5. Okay, 9 pi by 5 नहीं, वो 9 pi by 8 होना चाहिए. Please make this correction. This has to be 9 pi by 8. Okay, this has to be. Please make this correction in your books also. This has to be 9 pi by 8. It's a printing mistake. So I'll change this problem. I'll take 9/4 common here. So I'll say that is to prove. I'll take 9/4 common. This will become pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 upon 3 is equal to 9/4 sine inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. And I'll cancel 9/4 on either side. अब मुझे ये प्रूव करना. That is to prove that I'll transfer this on the other side. So this is pi by 2 is equal to sine inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3 plus sine inverse of 1 upon 3. ये प्रूव करना है मुझे. ओके, अब मैं ऐसे consider sine inverse of 1 upon 3 is equal to theta and therefore sine theta is equal to 1/3. अगर sine theta 1/3 है, this is theta, this is 1, 3, so this is square root of 9 minus 1, 8. Square root of 8 का मतलब होता है 2 root 2. So what is cos theta here? Cos theta is 2 root 2 upon 3. Therefore theta is equal to क्या बनेगा? Cos inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. Therefore, but theta is equal to sine inverse. Theta is this and theta is that. तो इसका मतलब है theta and theta is same. Equate करेंगे तो मुझे मिलेगा sine inverse of 1 upon 3 is actually equal to cos inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. So that means here I can replace sine inverse of 1/3 by this. And therefore, that is to prove that pi by 2 is equal to sine inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. ये लिखा और इसके जगह पर मैं लिखूंगा cos inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. Now I hope we know the formula that sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. We know this formula and therefore this is proved. So I'll say hence proved. Hence proved. Check. Everybody is clear to that. Little different approach. थोड़ा सा अलग तरीके से इसको अप्रोच करना है. Please have a look at this. Check if any doubts are there. Well, question number 25. Please have a look at this. Tan inverse of this plus tan inverse of this is equal to pi by 4. This is given to us and we have to find out x. So normally, what we do is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. ये यूज करने का ख्याल शायद आ सकता है. ओके, शायद you can feel like कि I'll use this and कर भी सकते हैं हम use. It's not a big deal. लेट अस डू इट लाइक दिस. चलो tan इनवर्स ऑफ x तो क्या बन जाएगा ये बताइए. यू मीन बोलिए tan इनवर्स ऑफ बताइए क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 divided by 1 minus x minus 1 upon x minus 2 x plus 1 upon x plus 2 that is equal to pi by 4. अब ये tan उधर लेके जाओ, ये पूरी ब्रैकेट में tan of pi by 4 is equal to 1 रहेगा. tan of pi by 4 that is 1. This is x minus 1. आप न्यूमरेटर का एलसीएम ले सकते हो. This is x minus 2 x plus 2 that is x square minus 4. This product is x square x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2. ओके और ये बनेगा x square minus 4 minus x square minus 1 divided by x square minus 4. Please have a look at this. इसका प्रोडक्ट रहेगा x square minus 4 x square minus 1 और इसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करके LCM लेंगे. So this gets cancelled straight away. So that is equal. और ये इधर चला जाएगा. इधर क्या बचेगा? Therefore this product x square plus 2x minus 2 plus इधर आएगा x square minus plus 2x plus x आएगा x square plus x minus 2 and this is x square minus x minus 2 is equal to x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1. X square gets cancelled and this x gets cancelled. So this is 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 we cancel. So 2x square is equal to 1. So x square is equal to half and therefore x is equal to plus or minus 1 upon root 2 and that is the answer. Please check whether this is clear. Alright guys. Now we go for the next question. Question number 26. Given that 2 tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of cosec x, find x. Now there is a printing mistake in this question. We'll make the correction यहाँ पर 2 होना चाहिए. Okay? And let us proceed with that. Now, again as I told you, when I'll be using the formula, this is given to us. Therefore, इसको मैं split करूँगा. Tan inverse of cos x plus tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. 2 cosec x. इसे मैंने split किया 2 times. And here I use the formula now. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ पर अगर यूज करते हैं तो वो भी कहते हैं इसमें tan inverse of cos x plus cos x upon 1 minus cos square x check is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. ये दोनों तरफ का tan inverse उड़ा दो तो बनेगा 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is sin square x is equal to 2 cosec is 1 upon sin. 2 उड़ा दो. So this will give me sin x को भी उड़ा दो तो क्या मिल जाएगा? sin x भी उड़ा दो तो you get this as cos x upon sin x is equal to 1. Tan x is equal to 1. So therefore x is equal to pi by 4. That's the answer. Just check. थोड़ा सा अलग अप्रोच है इसमें भी LHS equal to RHS नहीं करना है. X find out करना था. So this is how we do it. Check. Alright. Question number 27. This is an equation and we have to solve it for x. What I'll say here, why not to transfer this 2 here? So that will become 2 times tan inverse of bracket is equal to tan inverse of x. And यहाँ पर इसको मैं split करूँगा कि tan inverse of bracket plus tan inverse of bracket is equal to tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b, तो ये बनेगा tan inverse of bracket plus bracket upon 1 minus bracket into bracket is equal to tan inverse of x. क्या है भाई ये ब्रैकेट क्या है? इस ब्रैकेट इज 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay. 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Alright. Let's simplify this now. So this दोनों तरफ का tan inverse से उड़ा दो यार सीधा. क्या बन जाएगा ये बताइए. So this will become LCM आएगा 1 plus x numerator का, and this is 1 minus x plus 1 minus x. Denominator में आएगा 1 plus x का square minus 1 minus x का square upon 1 plus x का square is equal to x. तो अब इसमें से ये 1 plus x एक चला गया, क्या बचेगा यहाँ पर देखिए. So this will be 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2x divided by 1 plus x bracket square is 1 plus 2x plus x square minus 1 minus x का square 1 minus 2x plus x square divided by 1 plus x is equal to x. अब ये डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर ऊपर चला जाएगा. वेल ऊपर मैं पहले 2 कॉमन ले लेता हूँ. सो दिस इज 1 minus x into 1 plus x divided by, इसमें से 1 कैंसिल होगा, माइनस साइन है, and x square minus x square कैंसिल होगा. 2x plus 2x is 4x is equal to x. 2 2s are 4. ये उधर जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. सो दिस इज न्यूमरेटर आएगा 1 minus x square a plus b a square minus b square. डिनोमिनेटर का 2x as it is equal to x. So this is 1 minus x square is equal to 2x square. मतलब 1 is equal to 3x square, and therefore x square is equal to 1 by 3, and therefore x is equal to 1 upon 3. X is equal to 1 upon 3. Or else I can say plus or minus 1 upon 3. Well, that's the answer. Check. Okay. वही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का और एक तरीका मैं आपको बताऊंगा. There is one more way of solving the same problem. Let's see how. Check. Here, I'll write this as tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus 1 into x is equal to half tan inverse of x. Now here I'll use the formula. Check here. Tan inverse of a minus b upon 1 plus ab is equal to tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. ये फॉर्मूला है. So which I'll use here. तो ये है a और ये है b. तो क्या बनेगा ये? Tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x is equal to half tan inverse of x. तो ये tan inverse of x इधर जाएगा, and tan inverse of 1 is actually pi by 4. So that is equal to half tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of x. तो 1 plus आधा 3 by 2. So pi by 4 is equal to 3 by 2 tan inverse of x. Now this is 2 2s are, और ये 3 2s are 6 होगा. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Pi by 6 is equal to tan inverse of x. Okay? Pi by 6, and therefore tan of pi by 6 is equal to x, and therefore x is equal to tan of pi by 6, that is equal to 1 upon 2. और यही प्रॉब्लम इस प्रॉब्लम का यही आंसर आया था थोड़ी देर पहले. So this different method with the same answer. Check that please. The next question. Check. If it is given that sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x is equal to pi by 2, we have to solve this for x. Mark it as a star problem. Okay. Well, let's begin. I'll say let sin inverse of x, let x is equal to sin theta. Therefore, sine inverse of x is equal to theta. Therefore, what is given to us? Sine inverse of 1 minus x, but x is sine theta, minus 2 times sine inverse of x, which is theta, is equal to pi by 2. ये इधर चला जाएगा. So sine inverse of 1 minus sine theta is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Sine inverse वहाँ पर भेज दीजिए. So 1 minus sine theta is equal to sine of pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Now here we use the formula sine of pi by 2 plus theta. Sine of pi by 2 plus theta, allied angle formula, which in the second quadrant, all silver teacups, sine positive. ये आएगा positive and its y-axis, so sine changes to cos, so cos theta. I use this formula. यहाँ पे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा 1 minus sine theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Now let us write down cos 2 theta in terms of sine. This is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. 1 minus sine theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now this is a quadratic equation in sine theta. One gets cancelled from either side. So ये इधर चला आएगा. So this will become 2 sine square theta minus sine theta is equal to 0. Take sine theta common. So 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Sine theta is equal to 0 and sine theta is equal to half. So theta is equal to 0 और theta is equal to pi by 6. ये लेकिन अभी चेक करते हैं इसके लिए. Before I conclude for theta, what I'm saying here, sine theta is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 0 or x is equal to half. चेक करते हैं. Let us see this here. कि for x is equal to half के लिए मैं चेक करता हूँ. इधर what will be the LHS? LHS में क्या? Sin inverse of 1 minus half minus 2 times sin inverse of half. So that is equal to sin inverse of 1 minus half is half minus 2 times sin inverse of half. So that is equal to minus sin inverse of half. The sin inverse of half is pi by 6 and that is not equal to pi by 2. That is not equal to RHS and therefore x is not equal to half. ये pi by 2 आना चाहिए, pi by minus pi by 6 आना. Therefore x is not equal to half. जो हमने दो आंसर्स निकाले थे उसमें से ये तो चला गया. Therefore what is the final answer? X is equal to 0 is the answer. Please check whether this is clear to you all. Check. Alright guys, we go for the next question now. Question number 32. This is the LHS. Tan inverse of half is equal to 1/3 tan inverse of 11/2. यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे हम लोग? ये मुझे प्रूव करना है ना. To prove this, I'll transfer 3 here. So I'll say that is to prove. That is to prove that. That is to prove that 3 times tan inverse of half is equal to tan inverse of 11/2. अब ये प्रूव करूंगा मैं. यहाँ पर बोलूंगा ये LHS है 3 times this, that is tan inverse of half plus tan inverse of half plus tan inverse of half, and here I'll use the formula tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B is equal to tan inverse of A plus B upon 1 minus AB. Only the thing is A and B should be positive and AB, product AB should be less than 1 here. So product AB is 1 by 4. I'll club these two terms together. So half less than greater than 0 and 1 by 4 is less than 1. So I'll use this formula here. This will become tan inverse of half plus half upon 1 minus half into half plus तीसरा वाला tan inverse of half will be as it is. Now that is equal to tan inverse of half plus half is 1 and 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Okay? Plus tan inverse of half. Okay? So that will be tan inverse of 4 by 3. So this this is tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of half. Now once again I'll use the same formula. A and B both greater than 0, and AB, product AB will give me what? 2 to the 4, 2/3. 2/3 is less than 1. Okay. So again the same formula here. So that will give me tan inverse of, बताइए क्या बनेगा? 4 by 3 plus half divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into half. Alright. So that is equal to tan inverse of 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11 upon 6, and 6 minus 4 is 2 by 6. 6 cancel, and that is equal to tan inverse of 11 upon 2. But eventually that is equal to RHS, hence proved. ये मुझे RHS ये प्रूव करना था, पर वो आ गया. 3 को मैंने पहले ट्रांसफर किया and then I processed. Check if it is clear to you all. Okay, let's go for the next question. Question number 35. This is the LHS and RHS is parallel. अब मैं यहाँ पर cot inverse के लिए, you know that cot inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 1 upon x. उसी तरह से ये जो sec inverse है, reciprocal relation से, sec inverse of y is equal to cos inverse of 1 upon y. Okay, and let us continue with LHS. So LHS is equal to 2 times cot inverse को convert करिए tan inverse में, so this is tan inverse of 2 by 3, and sec inverse को convert करिएगा cos inverse में, so this is cos inverse of the reciprocal 12 upon 30. I hope this is clear to now. Check if it is clear. अब इस 2 tan inverse को मैं split करूंगा. This 2 tan inverse is split as tan inverse of 2 by 3 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 as it is. Once again, as we have done earlier, I will add this. This is tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B is equal to tan inverse of A plus B upon 1 minus AB. ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं, provided A and B both are greater than 0 and product AB is less than 1. Both are greater than 0 and product is 4 upon 9, which is less than 1. So let us continue this further. This will give me tan inverse of, yes, 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 upon 1 minus 2 to the 4, 5 is a 9, plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is as it is. Now that is equal to tan inverse of, क्या बनेगा ये? 2 to 4 upon 3 and 9 minus 4 is 5 upon 9. इसमें से 3 3s are 9 plus cos inverse of 12 upon 13 is as it is. क्या बन जाएगा ये बताइए? This will become, therefore LHS is equal to, क्या आ गया यहाँ पे? tan inverse of 12 by 5. This is tan inverse of 12 upon 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 as it is. Please have a look at this. इसे मैंने सिंप्लीफाई करके लिखा है यहाँ पे. अब ये जो है इसको थीटा बोलिएगा कि भाई tan inverse of 12 upon 5 is equal to theta, and therefore tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. तो ये जो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल होगा ये होगा थीटा, opposite side 12, adjacent side 5, तो hypotenuse is 13. So can you tell me what is sin theta is equal to? Sin theta is equal to 12 upon 30, and therefore what is theta is equal to? Sin inverse of 12 upon 30. लेकिन थीटा तो थीटा नहीं है, तो tan inverse of 12 by 5 है, तो यहाँ पर थीटा के लिए सब्स्टिट्यूट करिएगा. therefore we get tan inverse of 12 upon 5 is nothing but sin inverse of 12 upon 30. इसका मतलब है यहाँ पर मैं tan inverse of 12 by 5 की जगह पर sin inverse of 12 by 13 लिखूँ, तो LHS क्या आएगा जी? LHS आएगा इसके जगह पर sin inverse of 12 by 30 plus cos inverse of 12 by 30. और मेरे ख्याल से हमें ये फॉर्मूला पता है, शायद सबको पता होगा कि भाई sin inverse of x प्लस cos इनवर्स ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2. तो ये है सेम एंगल, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2 and that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Please check whether this is clear.